So hi, I'm Samuel Mayorga. This is the project of the 3D printing capstone. The first question is, how did you come up with the problem or problems which you are working? So it kind of went the opposite way. I didn't start with the problem, but I start with the project and then find problem with the normal like solution for the problem. So yeah, I started doing like 3D printed footwear. He's a boat shoe that I found on Thingiverse and I print. It isn't like that really good. Then I just decided to print like some cleats. I couldn't get it to stick one part to each other, so yeah, that was a problem. And then I decided to level up a little bit and I printed a easy foam runner. Here it is. So yeah, and then by looking at footwear and everything and looking at that stuff, I found out that the footwear industry, it's like one of the things that most contaminates the planet and more waste produce, because like 40 40 like 40,000 million shoes are thrown in the garbage every year. So it's a really huge problem. And the problem is that footwear cannot really be like recycled, because each shoe is made from a lot of different materials, and some materials that are made of cannot be recycled. So I decided to start making the materials that the shoes are made of from 3D printing. Yeah, and from a material that is biodegradable. So I decided to start with TPU, and here is one of my first prototypes. This is a 3D printed fabric made from TPU. TPU is biodegradable in the outside for in like 3 to 5 years. So if you have it in your home and you wear it every day, it's not gonna biodegrade, just a little bit. But if you like throw it in a landfill, it will biodegrade from like 3 to 5 years. So yeah, this is my first prototype, and yeah, that's the main problem I'm working on. So I come up with a solution of just using one material for the whole shoe, right? So the material is gonna be TPU. So the next one, this is the next prototype. I grabbed some templates that I find on the internet for the Vans Eva shoe. So yeah, I took the templates, I throw it in SolidWorks, and then I make a 3D model for 3D printing. So yeah, this is the shoe. It's fully 3D printed. This one I added an insole. It's not 3D printed, but the whole shoe is 3D printed. The sole, the the fabric, oh, everything is 3D printed. Even the joint. I didn't have to like use any glue for it, because I like with a soldering tool. I like went like this with some filament, like melting it, so I didn't have to use other material to stick it. So yeah, right now I'm working on another one. Let me see if I can find it. I don't see it around here. So it's a more like professional. Okay, so I found it. It's right here. This is like really made, like in the way shoes are actually made. This is a shoe last that I also 3D printed, and this is like the fabric. So I'm really like doing it right. So yeah, this is where am I right now, and yeah, this is like my whole journey. So the next question is: in the current form of design, is your solution manufacturable by 3D printing? Yeah, of course. It's the only way I can manufacture this fabric. There's no other way to do it. And yeah, it cannot be made in other way. What are some challenges with this concept? If the solution is 3D printed, my main challenge right now is that I need is it's that the sole of the shoe, in actually one of the prototypes, it's falling apart. Yeah, so it's the layering it. So yeah, it's coming apart. Look. So this is like the main problem. So I'm thinking that the shoe, it could be made from TPU, so it can be easily recyclable and biodegradable. So if you grab one of these shoes, you can just throw it in a shredder, and you will get all TPU, no anything else. So yeah, I think that the sole, I will have to make it like in an industrial chain or something, in like injection molding. But yeah, that's the main problem. So it isn't like that strong, the sole, but actually the fabric, it's really strong. And yeah, that's actually it. Sorry that this video is like so long. And the last thing that I missed is like the sketches of the solution that I have it identified. So this is like sketch of a sandal. This is the sketch of this one. Look at it. So this is the same sketch. And then this is the last one. This is gonna be barefoot shoe. And yeah, that's it. Hope you have liked it, and bye.